was born, we were chilling, getting out. Instead of none, I told you to get out. Didn't need a word that I said, 'cause I was hoping you would go ahead.
Okay, y'all, so let's get right into it. We're gonna go ahead and do this install, but first I wanted to show you guys these Ebin lace tints that I picked up from my local beauty supply store. I paid $7.99 for you guys, so it was super affordable. And what I love most about them is that you don't have to bleach the knots, nor do you have to spray it on, let it dry, that whole sort of deal. You just spray it on and then you're good to go. And it's a great alternative to if you don't wear makeup. So I absolutely love these lace tints. I'm going to spray all three for you guys so that you all can see exactly how they look and see which one would best fit your skin tone. I did get the light brown, the medium brown, and the dark brown just so you all will be able to see them. But I'm gonna go ahead and use this on a wig that I got from Sunber. That way you all can see that the knots are perfect and you don't even have to bleach the wig. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray these down on like a paper towel so that you all can see exactly how these look. If you don't wear makeup, this is perfect for you. So you just spray it on, make sure it blends to your skin tone. You can go lighter or heavier on the spray to make it deeper, or you can go lighter on the spray to lighten it up a little bit. But I absolutely love these lace tints. So we're going to go from lightest to darkest. Now this is the light brown, this is the medium brown, and this is the dark brown. Now you can easily mix the two if you're trying to find your perfect shade, but I think that this is a great base for you to use. That way you don't have to worry about that transparent lace being too light, or if you have a medium brown lace, you can alter it and make the brown a little bit deeper because sometimes it comes off a little gray. So I absolutely love these, you guys. And like I said, this is the lightest, the medium, and then the dark. So I'm going to use the medium today, and I might mix it in with a little dark just depending on how the lace is looking, and we're going to go from there. completed look. I absolutely love this hair, y'all. It's so super cute, so big, and I love the fact that it's so voluminous. I don't have to worry about adding extra tracks or anything. It's already thick. Now, I didn't want to tame it too much, so that's why I decided to just throw it in a ponytail. Y'all saw how big it was just starting off, so I definitely needed to just add a little bit more sleekness to it. So I put it in this ponytail, added these few little icy pins, and then that way it gives me a little bit of glam and then also dolls up this look. And as y'all can see, that lace tint is just bomb.com. Do you hear me? Like, it melted in so well. And y'all, of course I put it underneath, but then I went back with the darker shade and just dusted it on top, and I think that looks a lot better than putting a powder or even a cream on top, because it just gave it a finer look. And so I absolutely love this hair, you guys. It is very soft. I had a little bit of shedding, a little bit of tangling, but I expect that with curly hair. Oh my gosh, so super duper cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them below. Do not forget to hit that like button, that subscribe button. And y'all, for 2020, we doing all new content. We're keeping it consistent. I want to bring these videos to you guys, so leave some suggestions below, some things that you all may have seen at your local beauty supply store or just locally and you want me to try them. Go ahead and leave it below. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.
I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. I'm a Barbie girl living in my Barbie world. When my Ken's at, take me to the party world. Dress up time, let's party, girl. Dream house.